Hi guys, this is Saturday, October 29th, 2011, and look at all the snow we have right before Halloween. Trees are falling. Look at the limbs. Look like they're just wilting over. And check this out. This wasn't here before. It's right near my garage port, and it's like a little war zone, literally. Check this out. Look at all the trees that are bent over. You're going to hear a lot of popping sounds. Yep, check out the back of the house. See the top of the roof? All those trees hitting the house. Waiting for something to fall, but not in my head. Jeez, I better move. Okay. Let's go somewhere else. I'm going to show you how deep the snow is. Ah. There's the driveway. And there's some trees in there. Power lines are still up. But the power's really out in the house. Don't know where it happened at. Those could go down any minute. Well, better get a lot of trees down. If it's happening here, it's happening out there in the road. So don't go out if you don't have to.